Welcome back, friends. So in this lecture, we are going to see how to convert an image to different color spaces. So what is a color space? Color space is nothing but you can tell it as different color modes. So color space, it defines how broader or narrower the range of colors used in JPEG is. There are many color spaces available, but in this video lecture, we're going to just see about two different color spaces, namely gray and HSV. Have you ever wondered if you take a color, for example, say it's blue color, there are different shades of blue available. How come? So it's due to the concept of HSV. So what does HSV stand for again? Hue, saturation, and value. So hue is nothing but it deals with different dominant wavelengths of a particular color, and saturation it tells us about the strength of a color, and value is nothing but it tells us about the lightness and darkness of a color. It tells us the value by comparison of different shades. So that is HSV, and it's a very basic concept in image processing, which will help us a lot. So first of all, let us see how to convert an image. That is, here I've taken an RGB image into grayscale. So you can see the first, I know you must have been very much clear with the first three lines. And the next one is I'm gonna take a variable gray underscore image that is equal to the command used to convert an RGB image to its grayscale is cv2.cvt color and img1. img1 is the name of my variable. That is the original image, where the original image is stored. So I've given that, and the next argument is the command to convert it into the grayscale. So cv2.color underscore bgr to gray. And now you just have to show the image. So you're going to use, as usual, cv2.imshow. I'm going to put it in the label image, and you're going to show the image gray image, because I want to display the image which has been converted into the grayscale. So let's see how it works. I've got it. See, the RGB image, the original image was in RGB form, and now I have converted into the grayscale. You can even do this in a different way. You can just remove this. Wait, I'm sorry, I removed this as well. This particular line. And when you mention imread, you can add another argument mentioning comma 0. And you just can display img1 and see what it happens. img1, and fine, let me run it. Yes, see, I've got the very same image. So in order to convert your image to grayscale, you can even go for this. You can use which one is easy for you. And let's move on to the next code. It's very similar to this. You just have to change here this part. Instead of cv2.color underscore bgr to gray, you have to give cv2.color underscore bgr to HSV, so that you can convert it into HSV form. Now we'll run this and see what happens. Ta-da! I've got it. So it's the HSV form of my line image. So these are the two basic programs you have learned today. You can go and try this of your own. You can do many more things. You can convert it into different color spaces as well. So go and have fun.